So now next distribution function is uniform distribution function. Now first let's look at its PDF curve. So as you can see, the PDF is same between interval a and b. It is same for all possible values of random variable. The PDF curve is same. So this type of distribution function is called as uniform distribution function. So this type of PDF curve is the curve of uniform distribution function. So in the middle we have the mean value. So we can write one statement that here PDF is same for all possible values of random variable. Here PDF is same for all possible values of random variable. Now, can you tell me the mathematical expression of PDF? So f of x equal to, what is the amplitude? 1 upon b minus a, and it is present from a to b for x is between a and b, and it is 0 otherwise. So this is the equation of PDF. F of x equal to 1 upon b minus a for a is less than equal to x is less than equal to b, and it is 0 otherwise. Now let's calculate the mean value of this distribution function. So first point is mean value. So we know that mean value is given by integration minus infinity to infinity x into PDF function. But our PDF is present from, our function f of x is present from a to b, and it has value 1 upon b minus a. So substitute and solve the integration. So integration a to b x 1 upon b minus a dx. 1 upon b minus a constant, take outside, x square by 2 limits a to b. Substitute upper limit, substitute lower limit, b minus a, b square minus a square divided by 2. So it becomes 1 upon b minus a, b minus a, b plus a divided by 2. b minus a cancel out. So mean value is, important equation, mean value is a plus b upon 2. So this is the mean value of uniform distribution function. So remember this formula, that mean value of uniform distribution function is a plus b upon 2. Now next we will calculate mean square value. Second point, we will calculate mean square value. So we know the formula, integration minus infinity to infinity x square into PDF function. So substitute our PDF function, so it becomes integration a to b x square dot 1 upon b minus a dx. 1 upon b minus a constant, take outside, integration x square is x cube by 3 limits a to b. Substitute upper limit, lower limit, so it becomes 1 upon b minus a b cube minus a cube upon 3. So 1 upon 3 b minus a, and b cube minus a cube is b minus a, b square plus ab plus a square. So b minus a cancel. So mean square value, answer is mean square value equal to a square plus ab plus b square upon 3. So remember this mean square value formula of uniform distribution function, a square plus ab plus b square upon 3. Now this is our equation number 2. We can calculate variance also, and if we solve variance, first of all, what is formula variance? Mean square value minus square of mean, equation 2 minus equation 1 square, and if we solve this, it comes out as b minus a square upon 12. So this is the variance of uniform distribution function, b minus a whole square divided by 12. So remember this formula, and standard deviation will be under root of, or standard deviation will be b minus a divided by under root 12. So remember these three formulas of uniform distribution function. Now let's look at one question. A uniform distribution PDF is shown in figure. -1, 3. Calculate mean value, mean square value. Calculate mean value, mean square value and variance. Okay, first of all, what is formula of mean value? Mean value is a plus b upon 2. Mean square value is a square plus ab plus b square upon 3. And variance is b minus a whole square upon 12. And what is the amplitude here? What will be amplitude here? So remember one point, that as this is a PDF curve and area under the PDF curve is always 1. Area under PDF curve is always 1 for all functions. The area under PDF curve is 1. So here it is 1 by 4, because this is a rectangle of width 4, so height should also be 1 by 4, so that the area becomes 1. Okay, now our task is to calculate the mean value. So here a is -1, b is 3. Okay, we know the mean value formula. So mean value equal to a plus b minus a plus b upon 2. So that means -1 plus 3 upon 2, mean value is 1. Or you can see from this graph also, the center will be 1, mean value is 1. Between -1 and 3, center is 1, so that is nothing but the mean value. Now mean square value, a square plus ab plus b square upon 3. So -1 square, that means 1, minus 1 into 3, that means -3, plus b square is 3 square, that means 9 upon 3. So it comes out as -2 plus 9, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is the mean square value. Now we will calculate variance. Variance is b minus a whole square divided by 12. B is 3, a is -1. So 3 minus -1 square upon 12. So it comes out as 4 square upon 12, that means 16 by 12, that means 4 by 3, that means 1.33. So the variance is 1.33. So once again, mean value is a plus b upon 2, mean square is a square plus ab plus b square upon 3, and variance is b minus a whole square divided by 12. Now one question you try, the mean value, find mean value, mean square value and variance for this waveform, for this uniform distribution. So you must know that if you see any this type of PDF curve, that means it is a uniform distribution function. So you have to calculate mean value, mean square value and variance. Now what will be the height? Interval is 8 minus 2, that means 6. So height is 1 by 6. So you need to calculate mean value, mean square value and variance for this question. So this is question number 2. Okay. Now next distribution function is Rayleigh distribution function. First of all, we will see the PDF curve of Rayleigh distribution function. So this is the PDF curve of Rayleigh distribution function. On y-axis we have PDF function f of x, and on x-axis we have random variable small x. Now we got three curves. So this first curve is for the scale sigma equal to 0.5. The second curve is for sigma equal to 1. So it all depends on the scale and we get the PDF curve. And this third curve is for sigma equal to 2. So this distribution function varies depending on this scale value. So here sigma is not the variance, here sigma is the scale. Here sigma indicates the scale. So depending on the scale value, depending on the scale, our Rayleigh distribution function will vary. Now its equation f of x equal to x upon sigma square e raised to power minus x square divided by 2 sigma square. Here sigma is scale. Here sigma is the scale. And one more thing, for the normal distribution, that means Gaussian distribution and uniform distribution, we can have negative values of random variable, but here this distribution function is defined. This distribution function is defined for non-negative values of random variable. For Gaussian and for uniform distribution, we can have the negative values of random variable, but here this distribution function is only defined for the non-negative values of random variable. Now its mean value formula is mean value equal to under root pi by 2 sigma. Here sigma is the scale. So this is the mean value formula of Rayleigh distribution. And its variance is equal to 2 minus pi by 2 into sigma square. So this is formula of variance. So these two formulas are sufficient to know about Rayleigh distribution. So this is the PDF equation, x upon sigma square e raised to power minus x square divided by 2 sigma square, where sigma is the scale, and this function is defined for non-negative values of random variable, and these are the mean value formula and variance formula of Rayleigh distribution function.